Hello, I'm Sarah, and welcome to Travel Partner Official, your guide to enchanting European destinations. Today, we explore the majestic castles of Prague. From medieval fortresses to elegant chateaux, these castles offer a glimpse into rich history and grandeur. Whether you're a history buff or an architecture enthusiast, these castles will leave a lasting impression. Dominating the Prague skyline, Prague Castle is a sprawling complex of palaces, churches, and gardens, a journey through 1,000 years of Bohemian history. Founded in the 9th century, this UNESCO World Heritage Site has witnessed emperors, kings, and presidents. Imagine strolling through Golden Lane, where castle guards and goldsmiths once lived. Step inside St. Vitus Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece with spires piercing the heavens. And don't miss the changing of the guard ceremony, a colorful spectacle every hour. The red-tiled rooftops, the winding Vltava River, and countless church spires create a scene straight out of a storybook. Perched high above the Vltava River, Vyšehrad is more than just a castle. It's a legendary site steeped in Czech mythology, the oldest seat of Czech princes, the birthplace of the nation's identity. Vyšehrad Cemetery holds many famous Czechs, including composers, artists, and writers, their tombs whispering tales of national pride. Stand on the ramparts, feel the wind, and gaze over the city. The view is breathtaking, a panorama of Prague's iconic landmarks, a tapestry woven from centuries of history. Rising dramatically from a wooded hillside, Karlštejn Castle embodies the romance and intrigue of medieval Bohemia. Founded by Charles IV in the 14th century, it safeguarded the Holy Roman Empire's crown jewels. Retrace the steps of kings and queens to the Chapel of the Holy Cross, adorned with gemstones. Chapter 4, Konopiste Castle, a knight's arsenal. Nestled in the hills outside Prague, Konopiste Castle offers a glimpse into the life of Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne. Inside the armory, be amazed by the vast collection. Thousands of swords, guns, and suits of armor line the walls. Stroll through the gardens, admire the peacocks, and imagine the grandeur of aristocratic life. Chapter 5, Český Sternberk Castle, a storybook setting. Perched high on a rocky outcrop overlooking the Sázava River, Český Sternberk Castle seems to grow organically from the landscape, its white walls and red roofs a striking contrast against the verdant forest. Founded in the 13th century, this fairytale castle has been continuously owned and inhabited by the Sternberg family for over 700 years. Chapter 6, Krivoklat Castle, where royalty roamed. Deep within the Krivoklat forest, shrouded in legend and mystery, lies Krivoklat Castle, a magnificent Gothic fortress that has witnessed centuries of royal intrigue and dramatic events. Today, you can explore the castle's well-preserved interiors, climb the tower for breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside, and delve into the castle's captivating history. Chapter 7, Zbiro Castle, a Renaissance gem. Tucked away in western Bohemia, Zbiro Castle is a hidden gem of Renaissance architecture with a fascinating past. Built as a Gothic fortress in the 14th century, it was later transformed into an elegant palace by the Rosenberg family. Inside, the Great Hall's vaulted ceilings and ornate decorations whisper tales of opulent banquets and courtly dances. Chapter 8, Hluboká Castle, a fairy tale come to life. Rising majestically above a lake, Hluboká Castle is a vision of white turrets and romantic towers. A fairy tale castle that seems to have sprung straight from the pages of a storybook. Hluboká's extensive English-style gardens are a delight to explore, with their manicured lawns, colorful flower beds, and hidden grottos. Chapter 9, Orlik Castle, Majesty on the Vltava. Perched on a rocky promontory overlooking a bend in the Vltava River, Orlik Castle defies gravity. Founded in the 13th century, Orlik has witnessed centuries of history, serving as a royal residence and a strategic fortress. Explore the castle's interiors, admire the river views from the tower, and discover the stories behind the portraits and artifacts. Chapter 10, Karlštejn Castle Neo-Gothic Splendor. Stepping into Karlštejn Castle is like stepping into a Victorian fairy tale. This Neo-Gothic masterpiece, with its ornate gables and delicate spires, was once home to the Rohan family, a French noble family who left their mark on Czech history. Karlštejn is renowned for its beautiful gardens, a peaceful oasis to escape the hustle and bustle of life. Chapter 11, Vltava Castle, Romance and Real Life. With its soaring towers, fairy-tale turrets, and romantic setting amidst the rolling hills of Moravia, it's no wonder that Vltava Castle has captured the imaginations of filmmakers and visitors alike. Today, you can explore the castle's opulent interiors, climb the tower for breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside, and learn about the castle's starring roles in films like Arabella and Fantagiro. Chapter 12, Vltava nad Teplu Castle, Hidden Treasures and Tranquil Gardens. Nestled in a valley overlooking the Tepla River, Vltava nad Teplu Castle is a hidden gem with a fascinating history and a surprising secret. The real treasure lies within its walls. The reliquary of St. Maurice, a priceless 13th century artifact. After exploring the castle, stroll through the beautiful terraced gardens and enjoy panoramic views of the countryside. Chapter 13, Loket Castle, Guardian of the Ohře River. Perched on a rocky promontory overlooking a bend in the Ohře River, Loket Castle has stood guard for centuries. Today, you can explore the castle's well-preserved interiors, climb the tower for breathtaking views of the Ohře River Valley, and learn about the castle's captivating history, including its stint as a prison for a young King Charles IV. Chapter 14, Karlštejn Castle, a Fortress Impregnable. Rising dramatically from a rocky outcrop, Karlštejn Castle is a formidable sight, its imposing walls and towers a testament to its reputation as one of Moravia's most impregnable fortresses. Explore the castle's well-preserved interiors, marvel at its defensive features, and learn about its storied history, from a robber baron's lair to a cultural center. Chapter 15, Tranquil Castle, Ruins with a View. Perched atop two dramatic basalt plugs, Tranquil Castle's ruins dominate the landscape, their jagged silhouettes visible for miles. Built in the 14th century, Tranquil was a formidable fortress, its strategic location making it nearly impregnable. Climb the steep steps to the towers for breathtaking views of the Bohemian paradise, dotted with forests, meadows, and sandstone formations. Tucked away in a secluded valley, surrounded by forests and sandstone cliffs, Karlštejn Castle is a preserved example of medieval Czech architecture. Built in the 14th century, Karlštejn has remained unchanged over the centuries, its sturdy walls and towers frozen in time. Explore the castle's interiors, admire the medieval weapons and armor, and learn about the castle's history, including its role in the Hussite Wars. Perched high above the Vltava River, Rosenborg Castle is a stunning example of Czech Renaissance architecture with an elegant facade and ornate interiors reflecting the wealth of the Rosenborg family. Built in the 13th century and remodeled in the Renaissance style, it offers a glimpse into Bohemian nobility. Explore the castle's well-preserved interiors, admire period furniture and artwork, and learn about its intriguing history and role in Renaissance culture. Dominating the Brno skyline, Storybook Castle has served as a royal residence, a fortress, and, most notoriously, a prison. Built in the 13th century, it has witnessed battles, sieges, and suffering. Today, Storybook Castle is a museum and cultural center, a reminder of human cruelty and resilience. With its elegant facade, ornate gables, and harmonious proportions, Vltava Castle is a Czech Baroque masterpiece. Built in the 16th century and remodeled in Baroque style, Vltava is a feast for the eyes, a testament to its creator's skill and artistry. Today, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a vibrant cultural center hosting concerts and exhibitions. Set amidst the rolling vineyards of South Moravia, Vltava Castle is a testament to fine wine, beautiful gardens, and opulent architecture. Once the residence of the Liechtenstein family, Vltava is a sprawling complex of palaces and gardens, a place where you can lose yourself in the splendor of a bygone era. Explore the castle's opulent interiors, admire Baroque furniture and artwork, and stroll through the extensive gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for their beauty and tranquility. From medieval fortresses to fairytale castles, we've explored 20 of Prague's most captivating castles. We hope this journey has inspired you to add Prague to your travel bucket list and experience the magic of these castles for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Partner Official for more exciting travel videos. And be sure to let us know in the comments below which castle was your favorite and why.